Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Hustle Decoded Entrepreneurship from the Ground Up. If this is your first time here, my name is Kelvin. I'm the founder and CEO of the Hustle Decoded, and we talk about the fundamental life skills that you are going to need in order to take your personal or your business to the next level. But what I really want you to do is I really want you to start a business. Before we get into it, ladies and gentlemen, please do me a favor. Hit the like button. Only takes a couple of seconds. Subscribe if you haven't had the opportunity. Comment below. We need your help. We want this channel to grow. I cannot grow without you. This channel is going to help a lot of people start their business. It's going to challenge a lot of people. It's going to help them change their lives for the better. I can't do it without you. Please hit that like, subscribe, comment below so that YouTube can recognize us and so that we can help more people. Now let's get right into it. As of this recording, ladies and gentlemen, we are going through one of the worst economic situations that has not happened in America in at least 100 years. One of the things that we are not designed to do as a society and as a people here in America is finding or having other ways in which you can make money. So I wanted to have a little bit of a conversation and begin to talk about it a little bit about passive income, quote unquote passive income, which is really multiple streams of income. Now is the time more than ever that you need to develop other ways in which you can make money. Some of you have hobbies or skills or things that you do outside of your employer. You need to begin to figure out how to monetize those things. These are things that we are going to be talking about. I am going to have some courses that I'm going to be putting together called the 30-Day Hustle that is going to help you, give you a step-by-step comprehensive guide on how to start your business and make money within 30 days. But I also realize that this is something that is not something that we are taught in school. We're taught to have a job. But now more than ever, you need to put yourself in a position to where you can make money from multiple income sources. We'll talk about those sources a little bit later on, but having multiple streams of income is extremely important because as one income stream decides to decrease or increase, mainly decrease, you're going to be able to supplement that income in other ways if you have multiple streams. This is something that I'm going to be teaching you here at the Hustle Decoded. This is something that you guys need to start wrapping your heads around. There's other content out there. Obviously, I want you to keep an eye on this content because we are going to start really revving it up in terms of you starting your business based on what you know. And you need to start wrapping your mind around the fact that you need to make multiple streams of income. There's a lot of employers out here who aren't in a position to hire you, or they're willing to hire you at a much cheaper rate, which doesn't go hand in hand with what it is that you were making at your previous job, or doesn't allow you to pay the bills, but they want you to do more for less. You need to begin to start finding ways based on your strengths where you can make money and keep money coming in, because that seems to be the biggest problem that a lot of us are having out here. And I think now is the time that a lot of people are willing to hustle, and they're willing to listen, and they're willing to do the work required to get these multiple streams going. If you're interested in that, ladies and gentlemen, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, comment below. We will talk about this topic a lot more. Again, it is time now more than ever that you begin to develop multiple streams of income, passive income, things that you can do that will allow you to make money outside of your employer. Making products, providing services, Maybe it might be something where you have to exchange more time for dollars, or you might have to be active in other areas and it's not so much as passive. But the thing that you really need to work on or really need to realize is that it's not really about having passive income as much as it is about making sure that you have other ways in which you can make money. You have to hustle out here. That's kind of where we are right now. This is kind of why the Hustle Decoded was made in the first place, because people out here are getting screwed. Your employer is screwing you. You're relying on them, hoping that they have their books in order. And a lot more people out here need to be more of a hustler's mindset and being able to get theirs however they need to get theirs, obviously legally and ethically. But you need to have that mindset of being able to grind and go in other areas in which you can make your dollars. And that's what we are going to do here. So again, ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. This is the Hustle Decoded, entrepreneurship from the ground up. I will see you guys later. With that, I am signing off.